Planning to take a couple of trades today. So I'm gonna do option buying in Bank Nifty. I'm gonna use almost 2.5 lakhs of capital for today. So the target or the target for the day, I'll aim for 30 to 35,000, and the stop loss will be up to 20k. I'm gonna give for today, and I've had a good session on Friday and then on Monday. So 20,000 I can like give it as a stop loss for today. And here is the first setup coming up. So I've marked two supports here. So the price has been multiple times the price has touched this particular support level, and if this is broken, then probably the premium is going to increase a lot. So that's the reason I'm gonna buy a put option here. So almost I think this is going to break. So I'm just waiting for the candle to close, or maybe a retest of a same candle. So I'm gonna enter. So let's see how this particular trade goes. So if it starts falling, I think it has to fall up to at least the day low. So let's see how this trade goes. I think it's going to fall now. So yeah, it's broken. The support is broken. So I'll enter in the retest, maybe in the same candle, I would say. So I'll wait for the price to come a little low. Okay, so I'm gonna enter now. So let's see how this trade goes. All right, 3,000, 2,800, 4,000. This trade has to, like this, the price has to come at least near to the day low, because day low will act as a support all the time. So I think if this starts going, if this starts falling significantly, then it will fall, or if it is taking a support, maybe then it will reverse from here. So almost 10,000 is a profit as of now. I can see it looks like it is taking a support. So I'll wait for another I'll wait for another candle maybe, and see if that breaks this day low, or otherwise I'm gonna exit this trade. $8,000, $10,000. Okay, looks like it is breaking. This candle has to break, otherwise I'm gonna exit the trade, because it's gonna reverse. All right, 12k, 13k, 15k. Okay, the buying is coming, so I think it's better to exit. I did exit the trade, so you can look at this one. So 13k is the profit which I have booked in the first trade. So basically the logic is that if it starts falling, the day low will most of the time will act as a support, and that's what happened. So now there is a possibility that this can reverse from here. So that's the reason I exit this particular trade. So let's see how it behaves here. And I'm sure this is gonna come down, but I'm not sure whether now it will come, or maybe it will wait for some time here and then it will start falling. There will be another fall for sure. It will come to the next support level, at least as per my analysis. So let's wait. So this happens, right? So I did exit at the top, otherwise my my profit would have been zero now. So I was able to book 13k at least, so that's good. Otherwise it would have been in negative as of now. So Okay, so there's a buying coming. Okay, so if this candle starts going down, probably we'll have a good fall, maybe 20 to 25 points we can capture, but I think it's gonna wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so there's a rejection coming up from the top, but this candle is still not convinced. Okay, so if the day low breaks, then the next support will be the market is going to take a like support in the next support marked. So we'll have to wait. There will be a good premium moment, so maybe 25 points we can capture. So meanwhile, I've recently shifted to Dhan. So I was using some other platform earlier, and Dhan is a platform which will give us some feasibility and some more features compared to the other platforms. It is very good to trade on the chart itself. Where in other platforms, there are a couple of platforms which are giving that features, but this is more comfortable, and I think the execution also happens very fast. So I am if you would like to start trading, or if you would like to learn trading, probably you can open a account in Dhan. I have shared the link in the description. And before that, I think you have to this is very risky. It doesn't it will it will take a lot of practice to get this momentum and get the get this trading. So you have to you have to practice a lot, and you have to learn from right peoples and all of that. So consider that, and try to learn before investing. Okay, so looks like this is going to fall, but I think there's a kind of a trend line in the premium. So I think if this particular trend line breaks, probably momentum of 20 to 25 points, I would say 25 to 30 points maybe. So first trade anyway, 13k profits we have booked, and I think another 10 to 15k if it and if we can book another 20 or 10 to 15k, probably that will be good. Let's see how the trade goes. Okay, so maybe a trend line. We can see a trend line from the top, so I think it can take a rejection at the trend line and start falling from there. But I'm sure it's gonna fall because of the price action. I can I can see that the market will fall and the put premium will increase. So that's what I'm aiming for. Okay, So if this, if the trend line in the premium chart breaks, then probably we'll have a good momentum. Yes, I think a good rejection coming up from the top, so I think it should fall now. So I think, yeah, I will take a trade if it breaks the trend line in the premium chart. Let's see how this trade goes. Alright, the fall is coming, but just waiting for the confirmation. Yeah, I did execute this trade, and 13k, 12k, yeah, 15k is what it is showing now. So earlier it was 13, so now 2k added up. So yeah, 24, 22. So the fall has to come up to the next support, but the next support is pretty bigger one. So probably a good reversal also might be possible from there. So the premium will, like rise like anything. So I will exit in between. So I'm not gonna hold up to that next support. I'm gonna exit it. Let's see how much I can book. 26, 28. Yeah, I exited at 28, so 2 trades are done, and I did book 28,800. Okay, so yeah, there's a momentum coming. I think 20 points of momentum still there, but I think that doesn't matter. 28,800 booked. I hope you have enjoyed watching this live trading video. So I will come up with couple of more live trading videos if I take any more trades this week. And if you have any queries, you can reach out to me. I will drop my email in the description section, and also I will show the summary of the trades which I've taken on Friday, which is 15th of March. So I did book a decent 70,700 from a capital of 2.5 lakhs. The day was very good, and I did take a couple of trades, and almost all the trades went really well. And also on Monday, which is 18th, so I was able to close in almost 45,000 on Monday. The day was really good. It started really well. I had almost 90,000 profit in the morning session with a capital of 2.5 lakhs. But the afternoon session was too tricky, and I couldn't, I couldn't capitalize. So I had to close my positions at 45,000 profit. Alright, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel for future trading updates.